The stock on your radar should be J&K Bank right now. It's up almost 16% and sudden move on the upside. Big volumes traded on J&K Bank at the moment. In fact, it has a lot of stocks for company, but just look at that move there. We'll talk about all of these in greater detail. Before that, Manisha Gupta is also here with us to give us a quick roundup of all the commodity action that we're facing this morning. Hi Manisha, what's buzzing there?
Hi Sonia. Well, some of the support in the equity markets is definitely coming in from the crude oil prices, where we've seen 1% of decline in the overnight markets, and Asia as well as trading soft. We have seen that impact come in for the Indian prices on your screens. It really is about two or three factors which are weighing on. One, that the US weekly inventories are expected to see a surge of 7.5 million barrels in the previous week. That really seems to be weighing on. And then apart from that, it is a Chinese growth data at 6.0 to 6.5. It is the lowest in 1999 as a number to be seen. And China being such a big consumer of commodities, industrial metals, etc., that really seems to be weighing on across many of those commodities. And then it is about Libya restarting its Sharara oil field, the biggest that they have. That one has been shut since December, and that might lead to some increase in supplies in the global markets. Also seems to be weighing on to those prices. Apart from that, it has to do with the strength in US dollar, and that is weighing not just on the crude oil prices, but the gold and silver prices also, where we have seen a 5-week lows come in case of the gold prices, and it is nearly 7-week lows for the silver prices as well, considerably down from those 40,000 kind of levels that we were trading in the previous week. And the gold prices have continued to decline as well. We almost were nudging that 33,800 mark, and from those kind of levels, it's down to 32,200. In the global markets as well, the gold prices have come off from nearly $1,340 to $1,285 of a low in the markets yesterday. So more than $40 being shaved off in last 7 or 8 trading sessions there. Well, the markets continue to watch for the latest updates and details on the US and China trade talk. Much has been said. There have been various statements from China and the US representatives as well. But it is really about a deal or an agreement that the markets are still awaiting. So before that, ahead of that, we have seen some profit taking come in here as well. It also has to do with the strength in US dollar that's led to some declines in the base metal prices. But then again, as I've been saying, we have the ECB monetary policy meeting. The US manufacturing, or rather the non-manufacturing data has come in on the positive side, but it is also going to be about the US jobs data on Friday that many of these markets will be keeping an eye on. Having said that, we have seen all of these metals actually trade in the green for Jan and Feb. So until now in 2019, it really is about 5 to 25% up that we are seeing in many of these metal prices year till date. Trading strategies, and we have them from Angel Commodities. It's a buy in case of gold prices. 32,450 is the level they are watching. A sell continues in case of crude oil prices for a second straight day. Targets onto that one on the lower side are at 3,920.
Okay, thank you very much, Manisha, for joining us.